بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا ونبينا أبي القاسم مصطفى محمد صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري أحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Allah say in Holy Quran, إنما المؤمنون إخوة. In fact, mu'mins are brothers, believers are brothers. Everybody as a mu'min and as a believers are brothers or sisters. We don't have any differences in Islam. Why we divide our activities and make a division, becoming as many parties and many groups and many activities. When Allah say in Holy Quran, إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ إِخْوَةٌ, this is the social behaviors. When we want to have a communication and connection to each others in our, particularly in the social activities, we need to change our mind to become as a unity. Why some of our brothers and sisters in Shia, they have differences among them? Why? When Islam advises us to become as a unity and become as brothers and sisters, we have attention to these are important message from Allah. Regarding this particular verse of Holy Quran, Imam Ali alayhi salam says, إِنَّ الْمُسْلِمَ أَخُ الْمُسْلِمِ, all the Muslims brothers of the others, sisters of the others. We cannot say he's from other country, he's from other village, other area, other groups, other activities. No. Any Muslim, any believers, brother of others, sister of others. We don't have differences. فَلَا تَنَابَزُوا وَلَا تَخَاذَلُوا فَإِنَّ شَرَائِعَ الدِّينِ الْوَاحِدَةِ. Don't talk each other with a bad name and badly. You talk your brother and your sister nicely. This is advice of Imam Ali alayhi salam to us. How we can become as a brother, how we can become as a sister. Imam Ali say, simple advice. You talk each other nicely, no badly. Some of talking and joking each others, it's bad. Your heart is become dirty. Your friends and your brothers and sisters' hearts become dirty. You have to keep your hearts clean. Don't damage your heart. Because your nature in your hearts, if you damage your hearts, if you broken your hearts, if you become dirty your hearts, you cannot get the point. You cannot see the light. You go into the darkness. Because of that, Imam Ali says the simple activities, simple conversation and communications. You have talk your friends, your brother and your sisters nicely. Why you call? Why by the bad name? Why? You talk nicely. My dear friends, my dear brother, my dear sister. وَلَا تَخَاذَلُوا فَإِنَّ شَرَائِعَ الدِّينِ الْوَاحِدَةِ. Because of these are the role of your religions. If you want to respect your religion, if you want to say, I am as a Shia, I am as a Muslim, you have to and you must respect your role. You cannot damage your role. You are living to your country. You say, I like to living with the animals as we like. It's not correct. It is not respectfully. You have to respect your role. If you accept Islam as a religion of your life, you have to respect the role of Islam, role of the Shia, and Ahlul Bayt say this is the role. You talk and call your friends, your brother and your sister nicely, not badly. This is the role. وَسُبُلَهُ قَاسِدَةٌ مَنْ أَخَذَ بِهَا لِحَقٍ. And you have to find how you want and how you can to achieve to that role. You have to understand. Imam Ali say, you have to achieve, you have to find. This is the valuable role and the things in your life. وَمَنْ تَرَكَهَا مَرَقَ وَمَنْ فَارَقَهَا مُهِقَ. If you get this important point, you can improve and develop your life. And if you leave and lose it, this opportunity, certainly you cannot achieve your goal in your life. When you want to entrance of the other country, when you travel into any country, when you want to entrance that country, before that you have to know about some role of that country, because you want to travel that country. You have to know what is the role of that country, because sometimes maybe or perhaps you can do some things wrong. When you once become as a real Shia, real Muslim, you have to understand and you study the role of your religions. You must. Otherwise, you cannot get and achieve to your aim of your religions. You try. You're doing best, but everything's losing. We have to aware everything's under your religion. Imam Ali is saying, this is the role. Don't talk and call your brother and sister badly. Nicely talking, calling. This is the role of your religion, and you must doing and finding that roles. Because if you get this role, if you get this way, and you stand to that way, you can achieve. Otherwise, you're losing. Some problem in come inside of your life, and you cannot achieve to the unity. You cannot make groups. Very well group. And also, Imam Ali say, Al-Mu'minu Akhul Mu'min. Mu'min, brothers of the Mu'min. Mu'min, sisters of the Mu'min. فَلَا يَقُشُّهُ وَلَا يَئِينُهُ وَلَا يَدَعْ نُصْرَتُهُ. When you say, Mu'min, brothers of the Mu'min, never he cheat his brother. Never damage his brother. Never calling bad his brother. When you say Al-Mu'minu Akhul Mu'min, Al-Mu'minu Akhul Mu'min, when you say brothers and sister, I ask you, do you cheat your brother? Do you cheat your sister? No, never. Because he's your brother, her your sister. Never. Then when you look at to your brothers, when you look at to your friends, when you look at to your religion people as a brother, never you cheat them, never you damage them. Al-Mu'minu Akhul Mu'min. We have to look each others as a brother and the sisters. Not only by the name of brother and sister, the real of the brother and sisters. Like your real brother, and like your real sisters. How you make communication with them. You have to make communication with others. That's you can get the unity. However, you make differences. It's very nice. Al-Mu'min Akhul Mu'min. We have to look each others as a brother and sisters. And we have to respect them. We have to support them. We have to help them. We have to advise them if he or she couldn't achieve to the right way. We have to keep and take his hand or her hand and bring them to the right way. and advise them, please come, and advise them, and support them, and guide them to become to the right way. This is true. This is the exact and real of our duty, and we must keep it that. This is the role. Imam Ali said, these are the role of your religion. Brother, you have to see and look at it, and you have to understand and must be studied. Imam Sadiq alayhi salam also in other riwayats say, Al-Mu'minu akhul mu'min kal-jasad al-wahid. Your brother, your religions, your sisters, your mu'min, brothers of the mu'min, sisters of the mu'min. But not only as a brother and sister, no, kal-jasad al-wahid, in the particularly, in the one physical persons. You don't think he's a different person. No, as yourself, not two person, one person. Don't think it's okay, his brother, my sister. No, everything as you like, you must doing for others. Imam Sadiq alayhi salam say, in ishtaka shay'an minhu. For example, if your finger paining, your body is paining. If your hair paining, all your body is paining. Imam Sadiq saying, if your brother has a problem, that means you have the problems. If your brother is sick, that means you are sick. You cannot divide. وَأَرْوَاهُمَا مِنْ رُوحِ الْوَاحِدِ. Everything's natures and the spirits and everything's in your body, it's same to your brothers and the others people. Don't divide your person with others. Everything as you like, you have to do for others, your friends, your family, your people of your country, or other religions. When we say we have to help our brothers and sisters in Lebanon, in Yemen, in Syria, and other country, or in Iraq, that means we are as the brothers and the sisters, kal-jasad al-wahida, we are as of one person, not many people. We have to support each others as we like they support ourselves. Then, brothers, if we look and if we want to achieve our unity, inshallah, we have to change our social behaviors to make a unity. Allah bless us. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.